Hello and welcome. Today we're going to take a look at a RocwooD lawnmower with a 20-inch cutting width along with a mulching function and side chute. The 20-inch mulching petrol lawnmower is a top-selling model in the market, offering exceptional value for money. Boasting an effortless, powerful 173cc OHV 4-stroke engine, makes it manage the toughest jobs with ease. It's ideal for large gardens/lawns. It features a large 51cm cutting width, covering a large surface area, reducing the cutting time and the amount of laps done on your lawn. This is ideal if you want to keep your lawn nice and healthy. Here is everything that comes with the lawnmower. It comes with the grass catcher, the instruction manual, lower handlebars, the side chute, some connectors to connect the handles together, screws, a funnel, and of course the main lawnmower base. Now to the assembly. There's not much to assemble. There are two different types of bolts available with the lawnmower. There's one without the black clip and one with a black clip. We want to use the one with the black clip first. To put the handle onto the lawnmower, we first have to put this black clip onto the side of the lawnmower, then we put the screw into the back, then connect the handle onto it, then put the black cover on, and then finally screw it all together. The handles fold over for compact storage and easy transportation, making this item easy to store away, ideal for a garage, garden shed, or transporting within a vehicle. It is compact and lightweight, which gives it excellent maneuverability. The lawnmower also features a side chute. This can be triggered whether you want it on or off. You just have to open up the side, then add the side chute onto it. This petrol mulching lawnmower features a massive 60-litre grass collector which stores plenty of grass clippings so you do not need to unload often. To make the mulching function work, this lawnmower also is provided with a mulching plug. Just slide it right in and it will block the grass collector so you can mow your lawn and have it be cooked twice and then empty out the side. This lawnmower features adjustable cutting heights, 7 different cutting positions starting from 25mm and increasing to 75mm, along with grooved 8-inch wheel for traction at the back and 6-inch at the front. Here are the specifications for this lawnmower. The SKU is RWLM-SB20, the drive type is a self-propelled lawnmower, the engine displacement is 173cc, it also features a recoil start, a tank capacity of 0.8 litres, a collector capacity of 60 litres. It also features a rotary blade, has a noise level of 98 decibels, and features a 24-month domestic user warranty. Business or continuous use will validate this warranty. Thank you for watching. This is ideal if you want to keep your lawn nice and healthy.